get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Today we're making shank soup in the slow cooker. We're going to be cooking on high for approximately 5 hours. So first up, I've got a 2-pack of lamb shanks from Cloves. Depending on the weight, they're usually around the $11 mark. I'm going to take them out of the packet and chuck them straight in the slow cooker. Now we need potatoes, carrots, celery and pumpkin. We want to grate 1 cup of each. Once we've done that, we can set it aside. Now when you're putting it in the cup, you want to jam pack it in there. Then we want to chop up roughly 1/4 cup of curly parsley. Now we want 1 large brown onion. I've only got little ones, so I'm using 2. We want to peel them and dice them nice and small. Then we want to throw the onion in a small frying pan. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, 2 heaped teaspoons of jar garlic, or 2 cloves of fresh garlic crushed. Now we want to fry that up on a medium heat until the onion is soft and see-through, and then turn it off till we need it. We're going to need 1 litre of chicken stock and some water, Wistershire sauce, tomato paste and black pepper. At the 2-hour mark, we're going to add 1 cup of pearl barley, and at the end of the cook, we're going to add a 420-gram can of lentils. I will be writing the recipe down below the video in the description as always. So we've already got our shanks in the pot. So we now want to add our grated veggies, our parsley, our yummy fried onion mix, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Wistershire sauce. Now if you want to add salt you can, but I'm not going to, but I'm going to add a good crack of pepper. Now give your chicken stock a good shake and add that. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of cold water. So I'm just going to add a fraction more cold water. So basically all up I added 1 litre of cold water and 1 litre of chicken stock. So now I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to turn it on high and I'm going to cook it for 2 hours, giving it a stir halfway through. So it's been 2 hours so far and this house smells amazing. So I was going to use 1 cup of pearl barley, but then I thought, bugger it, I'll just use up the packet. So I'm using 1.5 cups. So what I did, I put them in a strainer and then I ran cold water through it and rinsed them really well. So now we'll just mix them through. So now I'm going to put the lid back on. I'm going to continue to cook it for at least 3 hours or until the meat starts falling off the bone. And I'm going to give it a good stir every hour. Okay, at the 5-hour mark, I added 1 cup of boiling water and then I've let it cook for another hour. So all up, it's been cooking for 6 hours. It smells absolutely stunning. So the meat is now coming off the bone. Oh, look at that. So what we want to do now is we want to take the bones all out, pull all the meat off them and throw the meat back in there. Now that we've got all the meat back in there, I've grabbed the can of lentils, I've thrown them straight into a strainer and then I've run it under cold running water and rinsed them right out. And now we chuck them in as well. Now we want to give it a good mix. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the lid on and let it go for another 10 minutes to heat up all the lentils, and then she's ready to serve. Well, there you have it, lovelies, shank soup. It's not the prettiest to look at, but it tastes absolutely beautiful. Now I do want it perfect for you guys, so I'm going to tweak the recipe down below the video in the description. It needs a little more oomph and a little less barley. So I'm going to change the 1 teaspoon of rosemary and thyme to 2 teaspoons of rosemary and thyme. The 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, I'm going to change to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I'm going to be writing 1 cup of barley only. Then you will have the perfect soup. I can't wait for you to give this one a crack. It's comfort food at its best. Thank you all so very much for watching. Have yourselves a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.